Kinakailangan muna ng isang malaking bagyo bago sila makaranas ng pagtaas ng tubig. Ngayon, kaunting ihilang ng ulan, binabaha na sa kanilang lipunan. Bakit? Dahil dyan sa DPWH na nilalakakan ng milyon na pondo. Ang mga palakpak ang mga bulsa ng kongresista.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to the News Pulse, where we bring you the latest and most relevant issues shaping our nation today. I'm Clint Josh A. Panoy, your news anchor. In today's report, we'll discuss one of the most pressing problems that continues to affect our country: corruption in the Philippines. From misuse of public funds to the lack of accountability, corruption weakens the trust in our government and slows down our nation's progress. To give us more details, here's our field reporter, Dexter John Laroda.
Clint Josh Panoy, corruption remains a serious challenge in the Philippines. Recent reports show cases involving misuse of government funds, favoritism in public projects and bribery and various offices. These acts not only harm our economy but also destroy public trust in our leaders. To understand how citizens view this issue, we interview a few people to hear their thoughts on corruption and what they think can be done to stop it. Now, let's listen to their insights. In your opinion, how does corruption affect ordinary citizens like you?
Para na ako is, dili kayo gaabot ang resources dili sa Pilipinas. And ang dalan po kay dili kayo gakaayo and kanang tungod sa corruption.
What do you think are the main reason why corruption continues to exist in our government?
May tabo ang corruption kay hinay kay ang system sa Pilipinas.
As a student or citizen, what do you think we can do to help?
Mag-apel ta sa mga activity para maka-aware ta, tapos mag-apel pud ta sa anti-corruption.
Thank you to our interviewees for sharing their honest opinion. It's clear that corruption impacts everyone, from lost opportunity to lack of trust and leadership. The fight against corruption requires not only government action, but also participation of every Filipino citizen. Back to you, Clint Josh A.
Thank you, Dexter John Laroda. As we've heard, corruption remains one of the biggest barriers to our country's development. It affects education, healthcare, and even our daily lives. But by being informed, standing for honesty, and practicing civic responsibility, we can all be part of the solution. This has been the Political Pulse, reminding everyone that true change starts with us. Good day and thank you for watching.